Welcome back to LearningStrome Academy. So friend, in this video we are going to talk about how we can take more than one input in a single line, okay, in Python. Okay, so let's see how we can take. Let's suppose I want to take a four input, okay, in a single line. So how we can take is, for this friend, as we know, we have an input function for taking inputs. Okay, I want to take enter four numbers. Okay, enter four numbers. Okay, I want to take enter four numbers. Okay, so guys, see, for taking input we have input function. Okay, but here, as we are taking input in a single line, so guys, we need to add some more syntax in this line. Okay, how we, as you can see, as I'm providing, see, we will provide our input in this form. Okay, so guys, here we are separating our value with the space. Okay, so we need to split this value, this all values. Okay, so for this we have a split function. Okay, for this we have a split function. We need to split all this thing. Okay, so for this we have a split function. We can split. Okay, now on which we have, I want to split. Okay, okay friend, I want to split my this here we have spaces. Okay, in between the values, so I want to split my string on behalf of space. Okay, so we need to provide space here. Okay friend, so you can split on any other literal if you want. Okay, you can split on behalf of commas. Okay, we will do, you will see. Okay, now friend, here we need to typecast our values. Okay, so you can see here now, we taken the four values and we are splitting each and every values. Okay, now we need to typecast our values, okay, individually. So for this, as we have four values, so we need to typecast it one by one. So for this friend, we are going to use the concept of for loops. Okay, for x in input. Okay, we are using x as identifier. Okay, now friend, we need to typecast each and every value. Okay, that of x. Okay, and we need to typecast it. Okay, so friend, one more thing that we need to do, as it is a list of values, so we need to we need to uh, uh, brackets here. Okay, now friend, you can see this is the syntax to take input more than one value in a single line. Okay, you can more than one value in a single line. Okay, so now you can see we are taking more than value in a single line. So guys, if I now we can print the value of a, b comma c comma d. Okay, c. Now if you're running this program, so you can see it is saying the enter four numbers. Okay, like I want to enter 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, see friend, we are getting our values. Okay, we are getting more than one values in the same line. Okay, so this is the syntax. If you want to take more than one values in the same line, single line, so you can follow this syntax. Okay, I hope this syntax is clear to you all. Okay, so guys, if you want to split our value, okay, on any other, so we can also do. Okay, if I want to split my value on the behalf on where I found comma. Okay, so we can also do, guys. So we need to give our input in the form of comma, like 10, 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40. Okay, so here I am getting error. What error I am getting? Let me see what I am getting. Invalid with base, invalid with base for integer 10, comma 20. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see why it is happening here. Okay, let run the program once again. Okay, let mm, 10, comma 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40. Okay, see, we are getting a report. Okay, so we can split. Okay, actually earlier we are not splitting properly, that's why we are getting error. Let's see one, let's split once again. See, 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40. Okay, See, okay. Earlier, actually, we was not using a proper syntax. That's why we are getting error, got error. Okay, but here you can see we can split according to our own self. Okay, whatever we are providing as in input. Okay, actually here I want to split my values on the behalf of comma. Okay, so that's why we are providing comma here. Okay, if you want to if you want to split your input, okay, on particular number, okay, so you can also do. Okay, so in this way, friend, we can take more than one values in a single line, okay, with the help of this function. Okay, so one more thing, friend, here the drawback of this syntax is one thing, that here we if I want to take mixed kind of value, so we cannot take. See here, friends, see here we have in this for this syntax only we can take only integer values. Okay, but if I want to take more than one value, okay, of different kind of, so fine, for this we need to use any other syntax. Okay, so for this, and with the syntax we have, let me tell you what is the syntax for it. Okay, for this, friend, let me tell you one function that I have to tell you, that is eval. Okay, so eval function actually used to typecast according to its own need. Okay, see, like I have a I want, let's suppose I have a and I want to eval, it will evaluate according to the input that it is getting. Okay, let enter number. Okay, enter number nation. Okay, so let's see, guys, so actually the functionality of eval function, it will evaluate your expression or whatever string you are saying, and it will give you result according to the type of the string. Okay, type of the expression you are providing. So see, if I will, if you have and now if I will provide an integer number 10. Okay, so the type of number it is saying integer. Okay, see, we are not typecasting our input in integer format here. Okay, here our evaluate function is find getting checking what kind of expression, what kind of input I have, and going to typecast our in value according to that type. Okay, if I will run provide integer value, like integer value 10.5. Okay, so it will sorry, float value, in that case it is going to typecast my value into float format. Okay, so now, friend, here the eval function, it will help us to typecast our values according to their real format. Okay, in which they will typecast, our eval function will typecast in that format. Okay, see, so if I run my program once again, you can see one thing here. If I will provide a boolean value like true, like true here, like true here, so it will typecast my value into bool. Okay, so with the help of this bool evaluate function, we can take more than a mixed kind of input. So I will show you the syntax. One more thing, when the user eval function, we can, if I want to provide expression like 10 plus 30, okay, divided by 5, okay, minus 6. If I have such kind of expression, string expression, okay, and I want that my I want to provide such kind of expression in the as a string. Okay, so but in in other language, if we have such kind of expression in a string format, so we need to typecast, we need to first of all we need to first of all break all the string into values in which we want, say, for. Okay, and then we need to perform the function we have. Okay, but friend, in Python we have a function eval, which will evaluate whole string, okay, that we have. Okay, and give us answer with, there is no need to typecast each typecast and eval by the programmer. Here our Python will do this task by the help of eval function. So you can see here, if I will run if I will sorry if I will enter, if I enter here, so you can see their answer we are getting third 10. Okay, so here our Python is evaluating this expression by own, okay, with the help of eval function. Okay, so here the eval function is very important. Okay, so whenever we have such kind of expression, okay, so there's no need to evaluate by the programmer. Okay, we have eval function which will evaluate by own. Okay, and it will give you answer. Okay, and the end. Okay, whatever the in whatever format in which we have a answer we will get. Okay, so see here the answer we are getting float. Why? Because the we have division here, and division always return the answer, division always return the result in float format. Okay, so 5 divided by 10 is 30 is equal to 6. Okay, and then when 6 plus 10 16 16 minus 6 is equal to 6. Okay, so the result that we are getting in the form of float. Okay, so friend, now it is actually all about eval. Okay, so now actually I was telling you how we can take more than one value. Okay, of kind of a mixed format. Okay, if I want to take mixed value in a single line, so how we can take. Okay, so for this friend the so what we need to do, just we need to just change one thing, that we need to write here eval instead of integer. Okay, we need to write here eval. Okay, so now if we will check the type of ab, if you check the type of ab, let me copy this. Okay, now if we check the type of ab, c, and the values that we have. Okay, the values we have, c. Okay, so now if I will say this program, I will run this program. So he's saying enter four number, so let's enter four number of different type, like 10. One is 10. Okay, and we need to provide comma here, because we are splitting our expression on behalf of comma. Okay, 10. Next number that I want to put 10.0. Okay, the next number I want to provide is like bool kind true. Okay, so the next number that I want to provide is kind of complex, like I want to put 3 plus 4j. Okay, so see guys, we have four numbers of different kinds. Okay, if I want to get an input of four, if I want to provide if I want input, take input of different kinds, so we can also do with the help in a single line with the help of eval function. Okay, so see and here we are successfully getting our different kind of input in a single line. Okay, you can see here, and the type of a10 is integer, type of 21.0 is float, and the type of 2 is bool, and the type of this number is complex. Okay, so from this with this syntax we can take more than one input in a single line, or we can take more than different kind of values in a single line. Okay, so in this video friend, I hope it is clear to you how we can take more than one value in a single input. Okay, and with the different type. Okay, and with the same type. Okay, and we also discussed about the functionality of eval function. In the next video guys, we are going to talk about more output function we have in a Python. Okay.